Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna and today we are going to make another mug cake. This mug cake is going to be a peppermint marshmallow mug cake. This will be like my first time trying it. This is my own recipe, so if this fails, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do, but let's get into this video. First, what you're going to need is 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Next, 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Once the chocolate is all melted in your mug with the milk, we are now going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour with my right hand. I'm right-handed because if I pour with my left hand, I'm going to fail. There we go. And 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And after that, we're going to mix it all together. I hope this really turns out. I think if I still fail, I'm still going to upload it. So if you see this, it's uploaded. When you have it mixed all together, you're going to take 1 stuffed puffs, peppermint bark marshmallow, and then we're going to put it in the center. Try to cover the marshmallow as well as you can. Next, we're going to microwave it for 1 minute. This is what it looks like all done. I am so excited to try this just because this is my very own recipe. Oh my gosh. Let's get into the taste test. I am super excited to try this. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. That is really good. I really like the texture, like it's super, super soft. I feel so proud of myself. Well, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.